Hello, I'm ReShawna Leaven with Keller Williams Realty. This is my first ever review of the NACA program on camera. That is, I've had other presentations where I break down the process. So I actually wanted to take this time to talk about my experience as an agent. So I have what I called a love-hate relationship, to be honest. I love them. I won't say I hate them. We may have what I call disagreements and quarrels, but for the most part, I would say I would love the program. And let me tell you why I love the program. And then I'll tell you what you need to be aware of about the program. So what do I love about the program? I love the fact that you can buy your interest rate down. I love the fact that it's not credit score driven, though your credit has to be what's called clean credit. I love the fact that you have the ability to buy your interest rate down if you are a priority member to 0.625%. If you're not, you have the ability to buy it down to 2% interest rate fixed. You have the ability to do a 15-year loan or a 30-year loan. There's no private mortgage insurance. That's what I love about the program, which means you can, in essence, buy more house. Let's see, what else? Now, let's talk about what I don't particularly like about the program, but it is what it is, so we have to deal with it. So, what I don't like about the program is the fact that if you're not a priority member, that you can't buy everywhere. So that means that you're limited. So I don't like that. Let's see, what else? The closing location, sometimes I feel that they should bend a little on that because it has to be that location. And sometimes it gets too crowded and then there are not enough options for closing times and things. And you have to basically look at your file all the time. Like, you have to look at it like daily. Like, if you check it, you have 3 checkpoints that you do a day. I would say check it in the morning before you go to work. Check it around lunchtime. And then check it again around like 7 to 8 o'clock Eastern time. Check it 3 times a day to see if there have been any changes, because you have to rely on the system. Trying to get in contact with your counselor sometimes can be difficult because they're dealing with a lot of people. So, I mean, you're not a number. Yes, you are important to them, but they have like 80 to 100 people they're dealing with on a daily basis. That's their workload, so you have to keep that in mind. I think if people really understood the process, it would be smooth. So always update your paperwork all the time, whether they ask you for it, because they're going to need it. And you need to have a good agent that actually knows the program and knows the nuances and knows what the underwriters are going to ask for, so you don't have any issues, so you can close on time. Because if your file is not complete, you're not going to close on time. And you need to have a good counselor, because you could have a good realtor and your counselor's not so great, then you have issues. Or you can have a great counselor and your realtor's not so great, then that's terrible. So you have to have the right team, so you have to have the right foundation from the beginning. To purchase a home with the NACA program, you need to have the right foundation. You need to have the right team, or it won't be successful. You might purchase the house, but there may be some hiccups. And you might be one of the lucky ones that didn't have any hiccups. But it's important to know that from the beginning, then to deal with that. So I would give the NACA program, if I had to rate it, from as many years as I've helped buyers with the program, I would say I'd give them a B- right now. That's my rating I'd give them, because they have been good to my clients and good to me, so I can't rate them less than that, but that's some things they're working on. So In the future, I'll write another review, but right now, that's what I would say a B minus, because they are improving. That's what I would give it. So would I recommend it? Yeah, I would. Though to me, if you're not going to buy your interest rate down, you shouldn't do the program. Just to do it because, oh, well, your credit's not that great. Because you do still need the money. I mean, they may tell you you don't, but you do. So it's important that you have that, because they want to have a story. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you need an agent to assist you, I'll be happy to refer you someone that's skillful. And if they're not skillful, I'll make sure to take them under my wing and make sure that they get you through the process. Thanks for watching.